Greetings from Rajiv Joshi. I am a research scientist at IBM, member of IBM Academy of Technology, and master inventor at IBM. My inventions span from novel interconnect structures and processes for more scaling, machine learning techniques for predictive failure analytics, high bandwidth, high performance, and low power integrated circuits and memories, and their usage in hardware accelerators meant for artificial intelligence applications. Many of these structures exist in processors, supercomputers, laptops, smartphones, handheld and wearable gadgets, and many other electronic items. These innovations have advanced our day-to-day life, global communication, health sciences, and medical fields impacting the world. First of all, let me thank NYIPLA to bestow this prestigious award on me. I am really delighted, honored, and humbled by this honor. Well, I consider myself to be fortunate to have worked on various fields which help me to generate wide spectrum of key patents. These encompasses areas like very large scale integrated technology and circuits, memories for processors and accelerators, and machine learning techniques and others. So I do not have, but have several favorites. In the technology side, some of them are fundamental and original ones, which push Moore's law of scaling. For example, improvement in the density, performance, and bandwidth, which was needed to assist Moore's law. VLSI chips, integrated logic, and memories to be packed on a small chip. These devices need to be wired at multiple levels vertically. To achieve this, paradigm shift in the back end of technology was required. Refractory metal contacts on the devices by replacing conventional, non-scalable techniques, providing aggressive liner materials and deposition techniques to fill large vias across layers for metal connectivity, along with low resistance copper metallization structures, form the crux of these jewel patents. Other favorites are memory patents. To me, memories are forever. Many innovative circuit techniques are utilized to drive memory speed, minimize power, and increase bandwidth, much needed for more scaling and accelerator technology. Plethora of memory architectures were innovated, including variety of SRAM topologies, TRAM, MRAM, and many others. Some of them are highly referenced in the literature. Additional ones are in the area of machine learning techniques. This to me was like having a crystal ball for predicting as well as improving the yield. Yield improvement lowers the production cost. To produce the best part at the least cost is the first law of production. To drive this law, key innovations demonstrated usage of smaller set of samples to predict relatively accurate results, while conventional techniques hinged on using larger data size to develop predictive models. These inventions set the worldwide research and many design automation companies wanting to use or develop such techniques. These are many others but my main satisfaction is that they help the society advancing the science, miniaturization, scalability, predictability, and performance. Many of these inventions are easier to explain through gadgets which are routinely used. For example, our laptops, tablets, cell phones, smartwatches, video games, and others. They contain advanced integrated processor chip. This does photo, video analysis, downloads programs, and stores our data. These chips are manufactured by complicated processes and use low resistance materials, interconnects to form pool of transistors to perform these functions. To give an example of complexity, the number of transistors on a state-of-the-art processor exceeds over 10 to 12 billion, which needs kilometers of wire to connect them. The innovations in interconnect material processes are utilized in making such complex chips. The innovations related to memories, enhanced data storage capability, robustness, functionality, and performance. Application of these inventions are universal. As they say, necessity or curiosity is the mother of invention. Both are essential. Without necessity or a problem, you would not know what to improve. On the other hand, eminent geniuses like great mathematician Aryabhatta, Sir Isaac Newton, Einstein invented things out of curiosity. Similar to these great role models to me, necessity and curiosity inspire me. Identification of a problem and providing out of the box solution, as well as observe and think, help me immensely to generate ideas. Knowledge is power. We keep our mind open, we can observe, learn, and convert it into knowledge. This provides fuel for invention. I studied at many good institutions which helped me expand my horizon. While growing up, my parents always told me stories about great renowned inventors like Marconi, Madame Curie, Wright brothers, James Watt, Alexander Bell, Thomas Edison, and other great stalwarts. Their success stories and inventions really shaped my thought process, and thus I developed interest in science and technology. My parents, successful colleagues, classmates, my professional colleagues, and my work environment motivated me to foster the innovativeness and created me an idea generator machine. Cloud, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing are not only remain the buzzwords, but their utility, widespread usage is advancing with leaps and bounds. All these areas are very exciting, and I have been dabbling further in AI and quantum computing. As the technology scaling slows down, VLSI chip production is becoming very challenging. Quantum computing has offered tremendous opportunities, but also faced challenges. I'm involved in advancing technology, improving memory structures and solutions, and their usage in artificial intelligence and contributing to quantum computing to advance the science. Well, we all have beautiful mind. So we need to be creative and innovative and achieve our goals for the betterment of our planet. I believe that we need three important things to achieve our goals. One, passion. Famous personalities in the world, for example, Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, were passionate about their freedom. They did not waver in their pursuit and they won. Passion, very important. Persistence. No matter even if there is failure, we can stand again and pursue our dream. There is a famous story about Thomas Edison, the great inventor who has over 1,000 patents. His inventions have impacted all parts of our life. However, as a child, while he was doing a chemistry experiment in a train, the experiment failed and set a fire in the train. Immediately, the conductor came and slapped young Edison. However, Edison never lost his heart and gone on to become the greatest inventor of mankind. Persistence. Third, practicality. There is a similar interesting story about Sir Isaac Newton, the great genius of all times. While watching apple fall from an apple tree, he came up with the concept of gravity. This genius had a dog and a puppy and wanted to build a dog house. So he built it, but he created two openings, one big opening for the mother dog and a small opening for his puppy. One day, Newton was watching their moves. To his amusement, the mother dog entered through the big door of the doghouse first. Then Puppy followed the mother through the same door. Newton immediately realized the mistake and the thought only one door was necessary. He fixed the mistake and showed us how practicality is very important in life. With these all three qualities, success should be sure shot. And that is all. Once again, I would like to thank NYIPLA for this prestigious honor. Thank you very much.